Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, as promised, let us take you through a journey where we explore all the facets of intermittent fasting and discover how it can affect your health and well-being. We will also tell you how to follow the same and get the goodness out of it. But before you proceed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. First, let us begin by understanding what intermittent fasting is. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves cycling between periods of fasting and eating, allowing your body to experience various physiological changes that promote good health. Let us look at some of its key benefits, so that you understand why it is so popular today. One of the major reasons for people turning to intermittent fasting is for weight loss. By restricting your eating window, you naturally consume fewer calories, which can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Intermittent fasting has shown to improve insulin sensitivity in your body, which is beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. This lands you with a fewer risk of diabetes and even restricts you from entering prediabetes. Research suggests that intermittent fasting may also help to reduce inflammation in the body. This can potentially help in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and improve overall health. Intermittent fasting has been linked to enhanced brain functioning and improvement in cognitive performance. Now let us discuss some methods in which intermittent fasting is practiced. Let us explore a few popular ones to choose from, such as the 16/8 method, the 5:2 method, and alternate day fasting. The 16/8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and restricting your eating window to 8 hours each day. During the eating window, it is crucial to choose the right food for proper nourishment to support your overall health. With the 5:2 method, you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on the remaining 2 non-consecutive days. It's crucial to make wise food choices on fasting days to ensure proper nutrition. Alternate day fasting means fasting every other day, where you have a fasting day followed by a regular eating day. On your eating days, prioritize wholesome, nutrient-dense meals to fuel your body. However, if you're seriously considering intermittent fasting, no matter what method you go ahead with, here are some tips to help you get started. Meal prepping is the game changer here. Plan your meals ahead of time. Focus on incorporating wholesome foods. Include lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet. Start with small window period. Also remember that it is a common myths and misconceptions that intermittent fasting means skipping meals entirely. Instead, it is about mindful and strategic timings of your eating window. Many people wonder if it's safe to exercise while fasting. The good news is intermittent fasting can enhance exercise performance and fat burning. Just make sure to stay hydrated and refuel appropriately during your eating window. While intermittent fasting has numerous benefits, it may not be suitable for everyone. Women who are pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you have any pre-existing disease or disorder, discuss with your healthcare expert before going ahead. Let's take a look at a sample meal that fits well within an intermittent fasting eating window. A colorful salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, cherry tomatoes, avocado, and a light vinaigrette can provide essential nutrients while keeping you satisfied. Intermittent fasting can be a great tool for improving your health and well-being. Remember to listen to your body. Find the fasting method that suits you well and prioritize nutritious meals. We will see you soon again. Hope our videos help your health in the best way. Thanks for watching.